about plants around us. Today we are going to learn next chapter of Unit 1, Plant Types. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 2, more about plants. We have already learned types of plants. Today we are going to learn more about. What is the point of more about plants? So first, there are parts of plants: leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds. Let's learn. Like us, we have a body parts like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, hand, leg, chest, etc. Like human being, plants also have their parts. Let's study about them. This is the part of plants. This is called the leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Learn this spell very well. Next, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Stem. Let's write down. S-T-E-M. Stem. And last, R-O-O-T-S. Roots. Now we have learned that parts of plants is leaves, flowers, fruit, stem and roots. Roots part is grow below the soil. We cannot see the part of root. Parts of root is not seen because it is already below the ground, so it cannot be visible. And stem goes above the plant, so we can see it properly. Stem bears fruit, flower, and leaves. So next point, leaves. Leaves, many plants have leaves, but they have different size, different colors also. In most plants they have green color, but sometimes it have different colors too. Their size is also different. Some are very big, like palm leaf, banana leaf, coconut leaf are very big in size, and some leaves are very small, like mint, coriander, tulsi, etc. Their plants have small leaves. Flowers. Flowers also have different color. They are also in different size, and they have many flowers have sweet smell. Next, fruit. Flower grows and bears fruit. Fruit bears from the flower. They are also in different colors, different shapes, and they have sweet in taste. They have seeds inside. Fruits have many seeds. Some have only one seed also. They have seeds inside. And next, root seeds. Many seeds bear. When new plants can bear from their seeds. When we sow, I am going to show you the picture how to plant grow. If we show the seeds in the ground, this is the soil part. If we sow the seed inside, it bears its roots first of all, then it bears its stem first, and then from stem it bears its leaves and other body parts with the help of air, water and sunlight. So air, water and sunlight is very necessary for growing of seed. It grows into the new plants. Thank you.
Let's read the lesson. Chapter 2, more about plants. Learning points are parts of plant, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits are the different parts of a plant. Here picture is given. Let's understand the words and pictures too. Leaves, leaves. This green colored leaves is given. Flower, flower. Fruit, fruit. Stem, stem. Roots, roots. The roots grow below the ground. As picture is given, ground part is here brown colored and root is below the ground. The stem grow above the ground. The stem is grow above. This is the ground and stem grow above the ground. The stem grows towards the light. This stem is grow towards the light. Sunlight is this side and it's grow towards the lights. The stem bears leaves, flowers and fruit. Stem bears leaves, flowers and fruits. This is the exercise homework. Color this flower using proper color. This flower is given. You have to use the proper color and fill this color. Count and write the numbers of leaves in this picture. Leaves you have to count and write here number. This one is leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 leaves are there. You have to write here 8 number of leaves. These are the petals. So it is not a leaf. So you have to count only leaves and write down the numbers. Next page. LEAVES leaves. Most plants have leaves. Leaves are of different sizes. Look at here pictures. Different sizes, small, big, different shapes. The leaves of different plants have different shapes. Most plants are green in color. As shown in the picture, most of our leaves are green in color. This is the palm leaf. It is very big in size. Banana leaf, lotus leaf, grape leaf, peepal leaf, coriander leaf, mango leaf. Name of plant whose leaves are very big. Here picture is given. You can understand this is very big in size. So we are going to write here palm leaf. Name a plant that has small leaves. You can see properly. Coriander is very small in size. So we are writing here coriander leaf. Now next page. Flowers. Most plants bear flowers. Most plants bear flowers. You have already seen that so many flowers in the garden whenever you go, park, etc. Rose, sunflower, marigold, lily, lotus, juhi, mogra and shoe flower. Have you seen this type of flowers? Most plants bear flowers. Bears mean grow. Bear means grow. Plants grow flowers. Flowers are of different colors, shapes and sizes. Have you seen? So many colors are there. Pink, yellow, light pink, red, off-white, white, golden yellow, right? Many flowers have sweet smell. Out of this flower, so many flowers have sweet smell. Rose have sweet smell. So flowers do not have sweet smell. Sunflower also do not have sweet smell, but mogra has a sweet smell. So we have to make answer and in this question. Name any two flowers with a sweet smell. So we are going to write here MOGRA mogra, ROSE rose. Next page. Now turn off fruits. FRUITS fruits. Some flowers grow into fruits. Most fruits contain seeds. Look at the pictures and identify the seeds. These black colored are seeds. But mango, have you seen seed of mango? Yes. This is the peach and this brown colored is its seed. This is an orange. It has a seed inside. It is small white in color. So now we read the examples. Watermelon, apple, papaya, orange, peach, mango. Next topic is seeds. Seeds are of many kinds. We eat the seeds of some plants. Seeds are many kinds. Let's observe their pictures. Gram, bean, wheat, corn. Have you eaten corn many times? Yes, of course. Wheat flour we are using for making roti, chapati, etc. Bean we are using as a vegetables. Gram we are also eat gram. So seeds are very useful for us. We are eating it as a food. Most plants grow from seeds. We show seeds in the soil. Here picture is given. we show this is the ground portion. Seeds has shown. Water is given. With the help of air and sunlight, it grows into roots. Small roots first of all. Then it bears stem. Then its leaves. And then become a plant. With the help of sunlight, water and air, it's grow into the new plants. Now let's revise the lesson. Now I know. First, roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits are the different parts of a plant. Second point, the roots grow below the ground. Third, the stem grow above the ground. 4. Flowers are of different colors and shapes. 5. Some flowers grow into fruits. 6. Most fruits contain seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. 8. Air, water and sunshine are necessary for the growth of plants. Now time of summative assessment. Let's answer question 1. Write T against true statements and F against false one. 1. The stem grow below the ground. It is false. So F. 2. Lily is the king of flower. It's also false. So we have to write here F. 3. Some flowers grow into fruits. It's true. So we have to write here T. 4. Peach does not have seed. It's wrong because picture is there and it has a seed. So we have to make answer as a false F. Question 2. Tick the right word printed in bold. Number 1. Roots grow above or below the ground. Roots grow below the ground. Above is stem growing. So roots grow below the ground. We have already seen in the picture. Roots grow below the ground. So make a tick mark on a BELOW, below. Make a tick on a upper side of the word. Second, plants need or do not need water to grow. The answer is need. Plants need water to grow. So make a tick mark on a NEED, need. Number 3, rose or flower has a sweet smell. Sweet smell word is given. So make a tick mark on a rose. 4, most plants grow from fruits or seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Make a tick mark on a seed. SEEDS, seeds. Question 3. Which one do you like most? First, the flower I like most is ROSE, rose. Second, the fruits I like most, MANGO, mango. 3. The vegetable I like most is cabbage, CABBAGE, cabbage. This is I like most. You can write whatever you like most. Which flower you like most, you can write. Which fruit you like, you can write. Which vegetable you like, you can write. Next page. This is time for formative assessment. Let's have a fun. Number 1. Name one fruits that we can cook and eat. Fruits we are eating directly, but we are not going to cook it. But some fruits we can cook it and eat it. The example is mango, MNGO, mango. Number 2, name one vegetable that can be eaten raw. Vegetable mostly we have cooked and eat, but some vegetables are there that we cannot eat. We cannot cook it and eaten raw. Answer, tomato, TOMATO, tomato. Number 3, find the name of the following pictures in the maze. Here table is given. You have to find the spellings. Picture is also given. Look at the pictures. Apple, wheat, rose, orange, lily, lotus. LOTUS, lotus. Make a circle. ROSE, rose. APPLE, apple. WHEAT, wheat. ORANGE, orange. JUHI, juhi. Let's do this activity to learn the very well. It is not compulsory, but you can do it for yourself, for your improvement. Like take some cotton wool in a dish. Put some pea or gram seeds in it. Keep the dish near an open window. Water the seeds for a few days. Watch new plants growing out of seeds. This is the activity like this. Seeds germination we also call that. We have to sow the seed and look and observe that how to grow it into the new plant.
Now, this is the time for exercise. Now, we are going to learn how to answer the questions. Chapter 2, more about plants. Question 1, write T or F. If sentences are true, then we have to write here T. If sentences are false, then we have to write here F. Let's understand and do the answer. Number 1, the stem grows below the ground. Below the ground, roots grow, not stem. Stem grow above the ground. So sentence is false. So we have to write here F. Second, lily is the king of flower. Lily flower is not a king of flower. So we have to make answer here false again. 3. Some flowers grow into fruits. Some flowers are growing to fruits. It's true. So we have to write here T. 4. Peach does not have seed. Peach fruit has a seed. And here given not have seed. So it's false. So we have to write here F. Question 2. Make a tick mark like this. On the upper side of the word, which one is right? Printed in bold. In big bold, words are given. But here I have write with colored chalk stick. Number 1, roots grow above or below the ground. Choose the right word from above or below. Root is given. We know that root grow below the ground. So we have to make a tick mark on a BELOW below. Second, plants do not need water to grow. To grow, plants need water to grow. Do not need is the wrong word. So the right word is need. So we make a tick mark on a NEED need. Number 3, rose or sunflower has a sweet smell. Sweet smell, we all know that rose has a sweet smell. So make a tick mark ROSE, rose. Number 4, most plants grow from fruits or seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. So make a tick mark on SEEDS, seeds. Now question 3, which one do you like most? Which flower you like most? Which fruit you like most? Which vegetable you like most? You have to make a answer here. Here I am going to write whatever I like most. Number first, the flower I like most is rose. I like rose most. So I am going to write here ROSE, rose. If you like lotus, you can write here lotus. 3. Number 2, the fruit I like most. I like mango most. So I am going to write here MANGO, mango. Number 3, if you like banana most, you can write banana. You like papaya most, you can write papaya, apple, whatever you like most, you can write here. Number 3, the vegetable I like most. I like cabbage most. So I am going to write here CABBAGE, cabbage. If you like potato most, you can write potato. If you like brinjal, if you like lady's finger, you can write whatever